Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's have a look at today's daily challenge problem. Problem 520, detect capital. In this video, we're going to draw your attention to some of the typical string methods. So first, I'll read through the problem statement to digest the requirement, and then we give some solutions. First, let's look at the statement. So we define the usage of capitals in a word to be right when one of the following cases holds. First, all letters in this word are capitals, like USA, right? So second, all letters in this word are not capitals, like Leetcode. And third, only the first letter in this word is capital, like Google, right? The first G is in uppercase. Given a string word, return true if the usage of capitals is right? So the first one is true, and the second one is false, because the last one is also capitalized. So the constraints for this problem are the following. First, the word length is bounded below by 1 and bounded above by 100. So this means that the word is not very long. So secondly, word consists of lowercase English and English letters or uppercase English letters, and they're mixed, right? So for this problem, we're going to draw attention to this like upper and lower, and check it's upper or it's lower. So and capitalize or title. So we can do this. So we just need to write three conditions. So these logical relations are all, right? So here, first I'm going to use this first column, so we can check. So word, so if we call the upper method, it's going to return a copy of the word with all the letters capitalized. So we want to check if the word is in uppercase or if the word is in lowercase, right? So all the word in the first one is capitalized. So word capitalized. So let's see, capitalized equals word. So this corresponds to the three cases. So we can do the check. Yeah, it passes all the cases. So yeah, so if we want to use those cases, it's also okay. So here, let me comment this out. And so let's write again. So but we are going to use this if the word is upper, right? Is upper. So this checks if the word is in uppercase, corresponding to case 1, or word is lower, right? And then we can add the third one, so only the first letter, right? So we can use title or capitalized. So let's see, word capitalized, and then if we check if it equals word. So this is another format. So let's do this. Check. Yeah, it passes all the cases. So I guess that's about it for this problem. But this problem is an easy problem and an easy daily challenge. So here the purpose is to familiar ourselves with these string methods. Actually, there are other string methods. Actually, it's good to practice and be aware of them and make ourselves familiar with them. So with that said, I guess that's it for this video. Thank you.